Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with a minimal, actionable plan. Schedule 3 weekly sessions of 20 to 40 minutes and commit now. Once scheduled, pick one compound movement per session, squat, push, or pull, and perform 3 sets of 6-12 reps to build a base. Make sure to do a 5-10-minute dynamic warm-up and test comfortable weights. This prevents injury and gives instant feedback. Keep water and a notebook to record load and effort so you can adjust next time. Once you have consistent sessions, focus on technique and controlled progression. You should film a set occasionally to correct alignment and cue joint stacking. This improves efficiency and reduces pain. Progress by increasing load 2 to 10% when you can complete the upper rep range with solid form and incorporate 1 to 2 accessory movements for weak points. Make sure to include mobility work and schedule 48 to 72 hours between intense sessions for the same muscle group to allow you close each cycle by defining a concrete short-term goal and reviewing progress. For example, target a 5x5 squat at 10% more load within 8 weeks. Once done, audit sleep and protein intake and compare weekly performance notes to spot trends. If you stall, deload for 1-2 sessions, sharpen technique, and reduce volume before adding load again. If sharp or persistent pain appears, stop the offending movement and consult a qualified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.